Hello students, in the last class we had discussed about the countries involved in the First World War. Today we will continue with the Second World War. So open page number 58, last paragraph. Second World War. The Second World War started at 1939 and ended at 1945. Compared to First World War, the Second World War was very dangerous and destructive in extreme position. Why? Because of the developed technology, science, and advanced missiles, nuclear bombs, weapons had invented. This were the reason. So the countries that had participated in the Second World War, once again they had to face economic problems. Now we will see which countries involved in the Second World War. Second World War was fought between two groups, which were the Allied powers and Axis powers. Britain, France, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India, Soviet Union, China and America were the countries in Allied powers. But India did not want to participate in this war, but to support Britain. Why? Because we means India were under Britain rules, right? Now next comes Axis powers. Germany, Japan and Italy were the countries in Axis powers. America played a major role in the Second World War. America is a country which manufactured nuclear weapons. To stop Second World War, America dropped two nuclear weapons on two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. On 6th of August 1949 on Hiroshima and on 9th August 1945 on Nagasaki. Germany surrendered in Europe and Japan surrendered in Asia. And here the Second World War ends. Second World War ended, but after that, which war started? Cold War. Okay. After 1945, Cold War started and it was going on till 1991. Between these two countries, which students? Russia and America. Cold War doesn't mean actually war, but every time there was tension. So, it was named as Cold War. Now let's move towards Cold War. Soviet Union means USSR and USA means America. So Soviet Union means Russia and there were a group of 15 countries together is called a Soviet Union, which got separated in 1991 and America. Students, Second World War were fought together by them. But afterwards, they became enemy and Cold War started. This war was going on since 40 to 45 years. Actual war was not there, but every time there was a tension that when it would erupt. So students, in that circumstances or in that period, America was already a superpower in Cold War. But even Soviet Union tried to become a superpower by making nuclear weapons and by making their military strong. Both the countries had different thinking. So they had a fight and started struggle for the powers, arms, race, tried to checkmate each other. And through these strategies, the Cold War started. So students, we will stop here. I hope so you understood till here. Solve your assignments given below. Thank you.